This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar and welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. I hope each one of you is doing well. In today's video, I will walk you through the process of deep cleaning my cordless vacuum cleaner. During the pandemic, I purchased a Dyson V11 to assist with my cleaning routine, and I even created an unboxing video for it. You can find the link in the description box. Mundane tasks like carpet cleaning and dusting can be significantly simplified with the help of a reliable vacuum cleaner. It's a fantastic tool for maintaining a spotless and dust-free home environment. Additionally, I also have an Agaro stick vacuum cleaner which was received through sponsorship. Nevertheless, it's an excellent, versatile and budget-friendly option. You can also find the video link for it in the description box. Just like any other appliance, vacuum cleaners need periodic deep cleaning with the frequency determined by how often you use them. Properly maintaining and cleaning our appliances is crucial to keep them functioning effectively. At the end of the video, I will also cover my unbiased mini review of the Dyson V11 after its usage for last few years. Before you start deep cleaning, remember to get rid of all the dust from the bin. Additionally, detach all accessories. At the rear, the HEPA filter is conspicuously obstructed by accumulated dust, severely impeding its efficiency in dust suction. Gently extract the dust using an old soft toothbrush. Ensure the gathered dust is directed onto a newspaper or into a designated waste container. For those with dust allergies, it's advisable to don a mask during this cleaning phase. Stick vacuum cleaners generally have straightforward disassembly. To prevent further mess, lay down a newspaper underneath. For the vacuum's main body, begin by wiping it down with a dry, soft cloth. Eliminate all traces of dust from the exterior. A diluted mixture of dish liquid and water sprayed onto a cloth and slightly dampened works well for thorough cleaning. The primary floor and carpet brush necessitates more attention. Disassemble it, removing components such as the large and small rollers. Hair strands tend to accumulate at corners, hindering proper roller movement. Utilize scissors to cut and remove entangled hair strands. These components are astonishingly dirty with dust deeply entrenched in the brush. Subsequently, deploy a soft brush to dislodge dust. Once you have cleared the dust from all the parts, fill a bucket or sink with warm water and a bit of dish soap. Put all the parts in and leave them there for about 30 minutes. After that, use an old scrub pad to clean all the parts and wash them. If there are corners that are hard to clean, use an old toothbrush. Don't forget to clean the hose too. After cleaning, let everything dry completely. When everything is totally dry, gently wipe all the parts with a clean dry cloth. Before you put them back onto the vacuum cleaner, make sure they are completely dry. No water should be left. And that's it. With that, the task is accomplished. My vacuum cleaner is now refreshed and primed for its next cleaning endeavor. As promised earlier in the video, I will now provide you a brief review. Let's look at some positive and negative points that I have experienced while using Dyson V11. The Dyson V11 impresses with its remarkable suction power, effectively tracking dirt, debris and pet hair on various surfaces, including carpets and hard floors. It performs its task effectively and its battery has a commendable endurance. I reside in a 3 BHK apartment and can complete the cleaning process on a single charge. Most Dyson models, including the V11, comes with a variety of accessories, simplifying tasks like floor cleaning, dusting, upholstery cleaning, and reaching tight corners. It is very simple to use this equipment. Multiple modes can adapt to multiple surfaces for better cleaning experience. Display lets you know about battery percentage and its filter cleaning needs. Being a globally recognized brand, Dyson ensures easy access to spare parts and servicing worldwide. This convenience holds true even if you move from one country to another. When I purchased Dyson V11, it was on the higher end of the price spectrum for the vacuum cleaners. Its advanced features come with a premium cost, which might not suit budget-conscious consumers. The price range typically spans from Rs 35,000 to 65,000. I personally purchased it during the pandemic for Rs 59,000, though this model is now available at Rs 46,000. Compared to newer Dyson models like V12 and V15, the V11 is heavier. Prolonged use around 10 to 15 minutes can become tiring due to its weight. All stick vacuum cleaners require manual operation, which means you need to invest your time and effort for home cleaning. Moreover, these vacuum cleaners cannot be used to clean wet areas. This is in contrast to robo vacuum cleaners that have the ability to clean your home automatically even when you are not present and can perform both dry and wet cleaning tasks. Lastly, regular filter cleaning and occasional deep cleaning of various components are essential for maintaining its performance. This upkeep can be time consuming and might entail additional purchases of replacement parts over time. That's all for this video. Before I sign off, I would like to clarify that this video is not sponsored by Dyson in any way. My reviews are entirely based on my personal experience with the Dyson vacuum cleaner over the past 3 years. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.